This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Apple Cash is active and funded. Open Wallet and pick the Apple Cash card. Once done, make sure Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode is ready because you will authenticate the payment. Next, wake and unlock your iPhone, then select Apple Cash if it isn't already default. Approach the store's contactless reader and hold the top of your iPhone near the terminal. This begins the secure payment handshake that will let you complete the purchase. Once you're at the terminal, double-click the side button or press the home button to bring up Apple Pay so you can choose Apple Cash. You then authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This confirms you and authorizes the payment. Make sure the reader is contactless and keep your iPhone steady near it for a moment. After a successful read, you will see a check mark and the word done. This signals the terminal received payment and the store can finalize the sale. Finish by confirming the on-screen done message and check the receipt to ensure the dollar amount matches your purchase. If the terminal didn't accept payment, make sure your Apple Cash balance covers the total and that your iPhone has a cellular or Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes terminals need a network signal to complete authorization. If problems continue, lock and unlock the phone, restart Wallet, or update iOS. These steps often restore NFC and payment services. One key tip: always ensure your device is unlocked before tapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.